an innovation in wood clamping and tool guidance, the ProGrip system of woodworking tools. It all begins with the patent-pending ProGrip clamp. The sliding clamp pad allows the user to take up extra clamp capacity with one quick, easy movement. The 3-position cam provides 3 levels of pressure to clamp and hold your material. The lightweight aluminum extrusion means it's easy to sit your clamped project aside, freeing up your work area for other projects. If you've ever wished you could hold your material securely to the bench or other surface, try the back-to-back clamp arrangement. 4 locks hold 2 of the regular clamps in a back-to-back format, unlike anything possible with bar or pipe-based clamps. The low-profile clamp pad provides an unobstructed surface on materials over 5/8 of an inch in thickness. When it comes to being handy, 2 T-slots running the length of every clamp make the attachment of work-holding devices easy, quick, and adjustable. There's nothing quite like the ProGrip clamp system. When you're in need of a tool guide, again, the ProGrip clamp shines. At the Woodworker's Choice, we're committed to bringing our customers the newest in product development. That's why we are proud to introduce a revolution in bandsaw resaw technology. With the addition of the 90-degree fixture package and pinned clamp pads, you can convert 2 of your ProGrip clamps into an efficient resaw system capable of handling material up to 11 inches in height. By adding an accessory table to your existing bandsaw table, you will be able to handle material as long as 40 inches and more. Clamps of appropriate length are required. Adjustments in material thickness are as simple as releasing the base clamp, adjusting, and relocking. As you can see, the work is effortless and accurate. Repetitive tasks on the drill press become easy to set up and safe to perform with the ProGrip system. The double T-slot feature provides extra rigidity for material hold downs, while stops can be placed anywhere along the length of the clamp. Product innovation didn't stop here. We're proud to introduce a new development in dovetail routing technology, the ProGrip dovetail system. Here we demonstrate the through dovetail produced on a table-mounted router. Each of the 2 components is produced separately. The dovetail cut, and the straight cut. If your router is not table mounted, the jig is turned over and bench mounted for security while the router is hand guided through the dovetail making process. Half-blind dovetails are just as easy to produce using the same fixture. As before, for handheld mode, bench mount the jig and guide the router by hand through the dovetail making process. For hinge mortising, try the ProGrip hinge mortising fixture. Depth of cut is set using the hinge itself on the router. Align one of the clamps in the desired hinge position and lock in place. Release the depth and length stops and using the hinge, set their positions. First, the depth. Then the length. The 1-to-1 bearing-guided router bit cuts cleanly and quick. A perfect fit every time. The ProGrip lock mortising jig brings accuracy to an otherwise challenging task. The 3-position cam clamps securely hold the fixture to the door edge. Drill bushings of the size required are easily adjustable. A simple depth guide is employed. Repositioning of the bushing is done without the need of tools. Adjustable width and end stops control the travel of the router during shallow mortising. All that's left is light cleanup with a chisel. The ProGrip system of woodworking tools. Innovative products available from the woodworker's choice. Your partner in woodworking.